beautiful people. Today we have a tuna recipe. Oh, I forgot one thing. So if this is your first time here, I'm Bethany, One Busy Mama, and we're gonna be doing some tuna. Easy to make recipe. You can make it ahead of time, put it in the refrigerator, bring it to work, bring it as a snack for the kids on the road. It's probably one of the best. So right here I have some solid white albacore tuna in water. This is from the Target brand Good and Gather. You can use whatever tuna you prefer, but I would suggest in water and not oil. Reason being is because you don't know what type of oil they are putting the tuna in. So this is 220 milligrams of DHA, and that is basically an omega-3 fatty acid. Tuna is great for that. If you're not a tuna lover, you can make it for other people. So I have 2 large cans. These are the 12-ounce cans. It even says it has 19 grams of protein per serving. I'm making 2 because there's a bunch of kids in this house. So let's pan over to the other side of the counter here. And I grabbed 1 lime here, so we're gonna roll that. And you wanna roll it to get all the juices flowing here. So it's nice, hearty lime. 2 cans. If you want, you could just use 1 can if you're making this just for individual serving. You can use a smaller can, just make sure you portion out so you don't have too much liquid. What I do have in here is a nice giant forkful of cream cheese. And then I took out my Hellmann's vegan mayo. I'm gonna use another forkful, heaping forkful. And you can always go back and add more. Depends on how much you like mayo. If you don't want the mayo, you can use more cream cheese, or you can use whatever your dressing of choice, ranch, sour cream. Just add a little bit at a time. And of course, we're gonna be using half of this lime, so you don't wanna add too much because then it'll be liquidy. Okay, so to that, I'm gonna add, I would say about a tablespoon of garlic, maybe a little less. If you don't like garlic, don't use it. Paprika, about 1 teaspoon. I just like the color. And then we're gonna dump in our tuna. This has already been rinsed with cold water. I suggest you rinse your tuna at all times. And just dump it in there. Try to get all right. And I'm gonna smash up my tuna. If you see any bits like this, I just take them out because the eyes don't like things that don't look pleasing. So go ahead and smash it up. I try to get it as small as possible. Nobody wants chunks. If you like chunks, leave the chunks, but we don't like chunks here. And you can see it's starting to absorb even the cream cheese. The cream cheese makes it creamier and makes the taste a little less fishy. like I said, we eat a lot of tuna, so I just make a lot ahead of time. I'm gonna slice up this lemon right here. And I said we're gonna use half. Nice, beautiful lime. And I did say lemon, but you know, lime, lemon, depends where you're at. But it is a lime. Please don't use the lemon. I mean, it's not per my recipe, but you know, I make errors too. So what I do is I pierce it with the fork, try to get the rest of that mayo off of there too. And then I just squeeze it. If you have a lime or a lemon squeezer, you can use that too. I just feel like the fork breaks it up, and I broke my lime squeezer, so this is what I'm using. And then incorporate that nice freshly squeezed lime. I like the tang of the lime versus the sweetness of the cream cheese, so it's a nice balance. And you just want to get it to the consistency. You know, if you like your tuna a little dry, make it dry. I am going to add some hard-boiled eggs to this. So here's my hard-boiled egg, just the white part. Gives it that nice protein that you need in your diet, because you don't need the yellow one unless you're underweight, because it's full of cholesterol. That's all it's made out of. Anyway, this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna add a few more eggs, but let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. If you like my tuna recipe, what do you guys like in your tuna? Do you like celery? Do you like onions? Do you not use mayo? Let me know in the comments. I'm always curious to see what people put in their tuna or their recipes. And thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, guys.